Let's summarize the lesson. The speed of sound in air is about 331 meters per second at 0 degrees Celsius. The speed of sound increases by 0.6 meters per second for every degree Celsius increase in temperature. The speed of sound in air at any temperature can be calculated by using the equation V at a temperature T is equal to 331 meters per second plus 0.6 meters per second degrees Celsius times the temperature, where V naught is 331 meters per second is the speed of sound at T naught, and T is the change in temperature. When you just summarize again, speed of sound in liquids and solids is not affected significantly by the change in temperature, but affected by their body structure. The speed of sound in water is greater than the speed of sound in air, and its speed in steel is greater than the speed in water. Let's see the following questions. In which of the following media sound travels fast? Oxygen, copper, seawater, and steel. You can see here sound travel the best in steel, in D. Steel is greater than copper, and copper is greater than seawater, and seawater is greater than that of oxygen. Sound travels A. fastest in solids, B. fastest in liquid, C. fastest in gases, D. with equal speed in all material. Sound travels fastest in solids.